Hey, what's going on, guys? Razor64 here today, and welcome to game number 7 of my Futureball Airsoft gameplay. Today we're going to be playing some Trouble in Terrorist Town. We're going to be playing on Tombstone City. Each player has 1 life. The rules are simple if you've ever watched anyone play Trouble in Terrorist Town. There are a selected amount of traitors among the terrorists. And everyone else who is not selected as a traitor is innocent, and that will make them, really everyone, nobody knows who is who except the traitors. The traitors know who all the traitors are, as you'll see in just a moment. But I hope you guys are ready for an awesome game. It was super exciting and fun to play, but let's go ahead and get to it.
Everyone keep their hands down. You're looking down. Okay, the terrorist, if I tagged you, put your hand, your thumb straight up in the air. I picked right up in the air.
Close your eyes, seriously.
Hey, man, everyone keep your eyes closed down. If you're a terrorist, put your hand up high. And only the 3 terrorists I picked, or 4, or 5, can look at HR so you know who they are. Okay, terrorists, put your hands down. Alright, break. Alright, so, I picked terrorists on that one. So, I'm going to start the game now.
Oh, what? I don't like this.
I will stand right
Dude,
here.
go get away from me, you fuck. I don't fucking like this. Oh. I don't like this, man. I'm watching you, fuck. Are you a terrorist? You better not be.
Snakes in the grass. Trim that shit real thin. Cause you never see him coming. Watch your surroundings. Barricade your house.
Jesus, man.
What's that?
Just counting glow sticks. That's all there are. You're terrorist, right?
Huh?
You're terrorist too, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Who else is the terrorist? I didn't see them.
Tony.
Okay. So only 3 of us?
I'm gonna go tell him.
There's only 3?
Yeah, I'm gonna go tell him that me.
Copy. This is such a fucking... Oh! I don't know!
You gotta wait for the first person to pull a trigger. And then everybody basically ganged up on that one person.
Exactly. This is freaking, bro. Oh, you're gunned down. Hey, you want to dual wield pistols?
No, actually better with
Okay. If you need a gun, let me know, man. I mean, that's if you're not a terrorist. You're freaking me out, man. I don't like this. Jesus. Holy shit. I don't like that. I don't like it. No. You better put that gun down. Put it down. Copy.
Wait, who killed you? Oh, you can't tell me that.
And at this point, you guys can obviously see I shot both of them, and I don't know why, but they just were not calling their hits. And both of these players were not calling their hits most of the day, so I ended up getting hit. If I was able to, or if they were able to call their hits, I would have been able to turn around and take Angelo out, but he beat me to it.
Oh, so you shot at him?
Yeah, I shot at him.
Thank you. Kind of my honor. Tony's the one in all ACU, right? Okay. Can't say anything anyways. We're dead men. Dead men can't talk.
Alright guys, well that is it for Trouble in Terrorist Town. I hope you guys enjoyed game number 7, my Futureball gameplay. If you did enjoy, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you really loved it, please share with your friends. And I just wanted to mention right now, if any of you guys are going to be in Michigan on November 22nd, 2014, check out Hell Survivors Paintball. Google it. They're going to be having a real sim event for Airsoft, and it's all day, 12 hours, and bring all your gear. Make sure if you guys want to play with me, bring tan gear, as in like multicam or any kind of camo like that. But anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, we'll see you guys tomorrow.